Today we're looking at this Wuloo intercom system. In the pack you get the outdoor one as well as the two indoor one. They are all battery operated using this chunky lithium ion thingy-majiggy pack. On average, the battery lasts about 2 to 3 days. Why is that? Because this thing is always on and listening, waiting for the outdoor to talk to it. Strangely enough, all three of them can talk to each other. So the indoor can talk to the indoor, this indoor can talk to the outdoor, this outdoor can talk to this indoor. Whenever you press the talk right here on the outdoor, all the other two can listen in as well, and vice versa, meaning if I press talk here, then the other two can listen in as well. So the only thing that's different with this outdoor is that there's a chime, meaning if people press on it, this other two can hear it as like ding dong, something like that. Obviously, it's very annoying to be battery powered and it will run out of battery and then you have to pop this thing out and then charge it indoor. So that's why for this outdoor, I cut the battery out, I hardwired in to a USB, and then I can just plug this into the regular wall. It will work perfectly fine via 5-volt DC, which is what those phone chargers are operating on, 5-volt DC. Now, when you need to recharge the indoor units, this is the stand. You just plug it in, plop it in. Inside, in the back of it, there's the micro USB. Just plug it in. And then charge away. Charging takes a very long time, maybe about 4 hours. So you can see here, I already hardwired it because I'm tired of charging it again and again. Ultimately, I'm going to cut the battery out and then hardwire this indoor unit as well. To mount it outdoor, this is the brackets, I think. Just screw it into the wall on the outside. Plug this unit in. Plug the outdoor unit in. And then secure it down in the bottom with another screw. I'm going to do it that way so I never have to charge the outdoor unit ever again. Most likely I'm going to hardwire the indoor unit as well, but for now I can just leave it on the charger and let it charge all day. It works perfectly fine while it's charging, of course. There's not much to the models. You got your channels. There's only 3 FM channels that you can change. There's the loudness of it. You can adjust the volume, as well as the chime right here. To force it to go to sleep, all you have to do is press it down and hold for about 3 or 4 seconds. So then this thing will totally power down completely. To wake it up, just press and hold for about 3 or 4 seconds and it will come alive. This whole thing operates over FM frequency, so it can be noisy if you live in a busy environment. If you want something that's super clear, you have to go to wire connection. Alright, hopefully you found this video guide helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.